Good morning, Attorney Patrick Silva coming at you from Estate Planning TV. Today I'm going to talk about the marital status and how that could affect your estate planning needs or some of the laws. Let's go through a divorce. So here's a real life example. We had a client almost 18 years ago. They were going through a divorce and he had no estate planning documents in place to protect his community property assets. He went to Mexico and he had a tragic accident down there and ended up dying. Well, he had a new spouse, a new person in his life and a child, and he wanted that money to go there. But ultimately it went to the surviving current ex-wife. So if you're getting divorced, you need to really look at your estate planning needs. Now, when is a divorce final? Well, it's not final until the ink dries, and that's the ink signed by the judge. What if you say, well, I got a legal separation, right? And the reason you did a legal separation instead of a divorce was because you wanted the other spouse to stay on your health insurance. Well, if something happens, community property rights still attach. Well, what if you say, hey, we went down to Mexico and we got a quickie divorce? Well, foreign divorces aren't going to have any effect and they're going to be able to be easily contested. Now, these are community property issues I talked about. Now, there's also something known as common law marriages, and there's a few states that have common law marriages, and I'll hit a couple. So we have Alabama, Colorado, Iowa, Kansas, South Carolina, Oklahoma, and I think District of Columbia. Anyway, do they have a full right in your, quote, community common law property? And the answer is no, but they have a minimum right to some portion. So your marital status is very important, especially if you had a prior divorce. We need to double check that it was finalized. And all these little issues I just talked about. So divorces tie in messy with your current estate planning needs. Attorney Patrick Silva, have a great day.